Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Jaguar. This 4-door SUV has a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Jaguar is a great value with less than 36,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city, and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Motorcars.